हेलो इंजीनियर्स। तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट मोमेंटम थिकनेस इन बाउंड्री लेयर. Before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe my channel to make yourself confident about engineering concepts. For proper understanding of momentum thickness, I request you all to see this video till the end and don't skip any part of the video because I have explained it in very simple way. You will not find such explanation in any book or any other videos. As many of times we have discussed in the previous parts, when object is moving through a fluid, a region of velocity variation is created near the surface of the object, that is nothing but boundary layer. Boundary layer thickness is the distance measured from the surface of the object to that point of the fluid where the velocity is 0.99 of u infinity. This is the boundary layer thickness at this particular point. If you know what is the displacement thickness, then it is easy for you to understand momentum thickness. If you don't know what is displacement thickness, then please see the previous part of this video series. You will get to know about what is displacement thickness and what this variation graph actually means. I have provided link in the description, please see it. Now friends, what is momentum? Momentum is a product of mass into velocity, right? As we are interested in this region, we need these two parameters from this region. Now I will take mass from the boundary layer. By taking this mass, I will calculate the momentum when object is there in the fluid and when object is not there in the fluid. I am repeating it again. What I am going to do, I am taking a fluid mass from the boundary layer. With that fluid mass, I will calculate the momentum when object is there in the fluid and when object is not there in the fluid. I am taking this mass of fluid which has a thickness Ty and depth B, which is inside the paper. The length is taken as equal to U. It means fluid is travelled for 1 second. This is a fluid of mass which is travelled through this area. A is equal to dy into B, right? Then mass flow rate will be m dot is equal to rho a p. But we have mass, we convert momentum into momentum rate by dividing it by time. That is m dot into v. We have m dot is equal to rho a v, but at this point the velocity is local velocity u. So rho a u, and this velocity is the velocity at which mass is flowing. So in this case it is flowing with u, right? So I am taking u. Rho into area B into dy into this u square. Make this equation as 1. This is the momentum rate when object is placed in a fluid. Now we will calculate for when object is not there in the fluid with the same mass. Momentum rate for the same mass when object is not there in the fluid. Mass will be remains the same, rho a u into, now there is no object, so velocity will be pristine velocity, right? U infinity. That is rho into b into dy into u infinity, right? This equation is 2. As u infinity is greater than u, it means there is a reduction in momentum rate. when object is there, this is the momentum rate. If I remove this object, then the momentum rate will be this much, right? This total will be momentum rate when object is removed. Means this much momentum rate is lost for this thickness dy, right? We will calculate it by taking difference of equation 1 and 2. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Reduction in moment rate is equal to rho into b into dy into u infinity minus rho b into dy into u square, right? Taking common terms, rho into b into dy is common, and also u is common, u, then u infinity minus u. This momentum rate is for dy. In this figure, this is the reduction in momentum rate for thickness dy. Now we have to calculate all reduction in momentum rate due to this boundary layer. This will be total reduction in momentum rate, right, for all the region. Now we have this equation for this small region, not for this, because we have taken difference. So difference is this. So we have equation for this elemental strip. We can calculate from this strip total reduction in momentum rate by integrating it over 0 to del. This strip, because we have to calculate this area, and this area represents reduction in momentum rate. Are you clear? Now I will integrate 0 to del. This is the total reduction in momentum rate because of object placed in a fluid. Now similar like displacement thickness, to compensate this reduction in momentum rate, boundary layer displaces along the y-axis. This is the displacement, extra displacement, to compensate the reduction in momentum rate, and this mass has velocity u infinity. This area and this area is the same. This extra displacement of boundary layer to compensate the reduction in momentum rate when object is placed in a fluid is called as momentum thickness, and it is denoted by theta. This length is theta, from this to this. This length is theta, momentum thickness. Now we will calculate the equation for theta, which is nothing but momentum thickness. Okay. This equation number is 3. We know that this area and this area is the same. We have equation for this area. I will calculate equation for this and I will equate it together. Now the momentum rate for this area is P dot is equal to rho B into theta, as B is in depth and theta, into velocity u infinity. This is the mass flow rate. Now this mass is flowing with which velocity? U infinity, right? Take this equation as a 4. These two equations representing the same area, so I am equating both are together. Rho B into theta into u infinity square and 0 to del rho into B into dy into u infinity minus u is equal to, now rho get cancelled, b get cancelled, only remaining here theta. I will transfer this u infinity this side, then integration 0 to del u into u infinity minus u into dy upon u infinity square. Now solving this equation, theta is equal to 0 to del u by u infinity and u infinity minus u upon u infinity into dy. 0 to del u upon u infinity, this will become 1 minus u upon u infinity into dy. This is the expression for momentum thickness in a boundary layer. We can write this equation as theta is equal to 0 to del, not 0 to del, this is what? Displacement thickness, and it is denoted by del star, that is u by u infinity into del star. I am writing it again, u by u infinity into del star. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.